Afternoon, everybody. And I'm going to start you off right here with this little bitty waterfall. It's on the other side of this ravine, and in the ravine are the waterfalls that I'm actually going to go down to. Very remote area. This is actually private property, so I do have permission to be on it. And as you know, we don't hike on anything that's private without permission. So, you can see. Now, had it been a heavier day of rain, this would be a whole lot nicer as far as the water coming down off the mountain. But this little baby waterfall is where we're going to start. And let me zoom out. I am going to be hiking down into this down here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off to the right. Like I said, this is private property, so can't say where it is or who owns it, but I can film it. So I will get you some video of two remote but beautiful waterfalls today. Alright, so here's the first little falls. You can see there's a nice little deep spot right there. If you were a warmer day and you were hot, that'd be perfect. But as you can see, this is just a cute little, almost a nice little sliding rock. Minus one or two lips right there you might get snagged on. But overall, a nice little soft falls, pretty tranquil. There were a lot of minnows moving around in here too, so it leads you to believe with holes like this you might find trout in here somewhere. I don't see any right now, but that doesn't mean we won't see them down below. So this is the first little falls right here, and you saw the picnic table up above. Perfect spot for a picnic table, perfect spot for a lunch. So I am going to head down around the corner here to the left, do a little peeking, and we might have to go up and around to the trail that leads down to the next waterfall. But we'll see, we'll give this a shot. Alright, so that little walk down around the corner brings us to the top of this falls right here. You can see it weaves its way back and forth. We've got some large boulders here. Gonna create a nice cascade. There's a really nice large rock formation right here. But there's the pool down below. And I could probably pretty easy navigate around this area and get down there, but I think I'm gonna go back up and around and take the trail down just to be on the safe side, and we'll see what this waterfall looks like from the bottom. So I'm gonna get back in the water and walk back up to my shoes. All right, so back up top, this is the pathway that the property owner had put in so they can easily reach the pool down below the bottom waterfall that we were at the top of. So we'll take these stairs. I can tell you, this is my first time on this. Last time I was down here, it was just walk up and down the side of the mountain. Definitely wasn't as much fun. So Alright, so here our path splits. We can go to the left and go down to the pool. We can go to the right here and up to this little outcropping. We'll go up top first. You can see another big boulder to our right. Nice little overhang right here. And so this gets us kind of to the midpoint of the falls. And stay down. And there's the pool. So we will go down below now and take a peek. Oh! I'm gonna walk back here so we can get a good first look. Tree down there. And so there's the bottom side. And then of course up there is the waterfall I was filming earlier. You can see it comes down, runs right into this little pool. Like I said, they're little waterfalls, but still nice. Alright, so this was our quick little hike down to 2 little waterfalls and 2 pools. And I, for one, I'm pleased with them. Like I said, they're smaller, but deep down in this ravine down here, I mean, it's a great place to just kind of sit and listen to the water and just enjoy the day. So I'm gonna climb back out of here and head home, get to work, all the normal things I do, and I will come back out pretty soon, find another monster waterfall for us. So until then, thank you everybody for showing up and coming back out, and I will see you next time.